Tech Gear sent me the Twiddler tree and we're gonna unpack it. Alright. They included this super cute sticker. Here's the sticker they gave me. There you go. Seems to be no plastics in the box, just the Twiddler. Alright. So it has this band, and with the band you can like press this in and you can basically hold it. You know when we had these Wii controls and you had this little band around your hand? It's just so it doesn't fly away, you know. You can just do this and it will just stay on. We have buttons right here that we can press. And we've got buttons for our thumb and a little Joy-Con as well. And we can move with the joystick. So this is actually a keyboard for people with one hand, because you can just type like that, right? But you can also set all these things to a hotkey. And then you can change your scenes and stuff like that in OBS or do anything on the computer that uses hotkeys. The box itself doesn't include a manual or something like that. However, I noticed that they sent you an email with a whole guide and a whole basically practice hub where you can join and find out how it works. It doesn't like they leave you hanging with not knowing how to work with it, but it's just not in the box, they just email it to you, so they do it digitally.